So today my wife and I decided we'd just go out for a little walk. It's only about 3 miles, but from where we live it's only 10 minutes away drive, and it's in the foothills of the Pentland Hills. And so this is the start of the route that we take, just outside the Swanston Brasserie. You'll see it as we pan round here. Swanston Brasserie is one of our favourite little restaurants, and it's one of the places I take my groups to when we head out towards Rosslyn Chapel. But it's a great place and it's got great views out over the city. And this is the path that takes you up through the little copse of trees. And just up ahead is a group of cottages which my wife and I have looked at numerous times over the years. We haven't been up this way for about a year, but we came up today and there was a sign up saying these cottages were for sale. The guy that you just saw walking across the screen there, he's the guy who owns them. And in actual fact they've all been sold. They were all sold just before the pandemic began, but on the way back we popped in to have a look and he showed us around one of the cottages. Absolutely beautiful, but 2-bedroom cottage will cost you about 410,000. But he owns Swanston Farm, and they obviously supply the restaurant, the Swanston Brasserie, with fresh eggs. They've also got Highland cattle, they've got sheep, so they provide a lot of the fresh produce for the restaurant. So this is looking back towards the city, and so we're looking north at the moment. A little bit later on in the video you'll be able to get a clearer view of the skyline of the old town, including the castle. We can always do a detour and go up the hill if you want.
Which one?
That one.
Yeah, I like you. Been there, done that.
So this white cottage here was the cottage that Robert Louis Stevenson used to stay at when he was a boy, when he was suffering from his breathing problems in Edinburgh. So he'd come up here for a few days.